I'm loving this look. If you like this look, keep watching hair and makeup tutorial. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. If this is your first time here, welcome. I do beauty and cosplay, and this is my 3.5-ish Halloween look. Super excited to do this. I am doing Mommy Fierce from the Powerpuff Girls, but I'm doing the evil one. So in my previous video, I did the where she's all dressed up as a mom and, you know, looking innocent, and now I am the evil side of her.
Okay, hey y'all, before we start on the hair, I'm gonna moisturize my skin. I'm using the enjoyyyy Vitamin E facial moisturizer. Really good ingredients. I'll link it down below. I like it. Just gonna put that everywhere on my forehead, even though my forehead is shining like a diamond. Now we're gonna go to the hair. So what we're gonna do is just saturate the hair. I actually washed my hair. I believe I shampooed it and conditioned it that day, just so I could have a good hair day. So with Medusa's hair, I'm just going to define my curls. So I'm going to detangle this the best I can. I'm gonna start off with Desert Essence oil. That oil smells like coffee beans. It smells really good. My boyfriend, he likes when I wear it in my hair. He's like, what's that smell? I'm like, it's me. I feel like I told you guys this before. So we're gonna work on the ends of my hair, the tips, and then we're gonna work our way up and just moisturize as needed. I am using it was a Target brand. I'll link that down below, a leave-in conditioner. I really don't care for it. I will not be purchasing it again. I feel like my hair is just very dry and it doesn't do the job that I want it to do. So I won't be purchasing it again. But I did like it, and I do recommend it for people who don't have such dry hair. And we're just going to keep sectioning the hair off, and you're going to make sure you get all of those pieces that are dry moisturized. That's basically what I'm doing here. Another flaw with this leave-in conditioner, it was hard to blend in. If you can see here how I still have like the residue sticking in my hair, and that's what really annoyed me. It's like my hair didn't want to mesh with it, if that makes sense. Then I went in with the gel. This is from that same Target brand. I do like the gel, but I think it could be better. So I'm going to be looking for another one. And then I'm using a black-owned brand called COSPLAY for my baby hairs and the baby hair brush that I bought with them. I really like this brand. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but I think it is worth the money because the ingredients are awesome, and I love the names of the products. Like that baby hair gel was called applesauce, and it was cute because it actually does look like applesauce. But we're going back in with that leave-in conditioner and make sure we're getting the hair, and then gel. So that's basically what I'm doing, just going back and forth with leave-in conditioner, and then once I finish detangling the curls and defining them, I'll just put that gel on top. And then this is from COSPLAY again. I'm using a gel. I actually like this gel. Again, it's pricey, but it's called Jello Shot. I just think the concept of her brand is so cute. I love it so much. My hair is growing, y'all. Please like and thumbs up and comment if you want a hair growth video, and I'll explain how I let my hair grow. My hair, it got super long. Yeah, it was at my shoulders for the longest, and then I finally unlocked the code on how I could have long hair.
Girls evil look. I wanted to play with my natural curls because I feel like curls in general, they just give that Medusa look, and I thought that curls would just be great in the different lanes, and if I flip my hair around, it'd be really cool. So I thought this would be a cool concept just to keep my natural hair for all my natural girls out there. But yes, I think this will look great with anybody who has curly hair.
And here I'm just spraying my hair because it still has that lovely residue.
I did my hair as Medusa. That's what she is known as in the Powerpuff Girls. I wanted to use my curls to represent them being the snakes because curls can be a lot at times. So I thought this would be a cool Halloween look for Yeah, I need to let that dry. I'm gonna have to spray those. Hollow Queen look for my natural curly girls. Look at that, like it just looks so good. So I'm super excited. I can't wait. I loved Powerpuff Girls as a kid, and I just thought this was a great memory just to do something different, but still Powerpuff Girls, because everyone does Powerpuff Girls. But thank you guys so much for watching. Guys, stay tuned for the final look.
Now we're going in with that primer. I love this Laws of Nature antioxidant primer. It's so good. I'm not fond on the smell, but it does the job. Now we're going in with Alafia, the facial mist. I'm going to put that on my brush and on my face. And we're going in with the Lolo, the cream foundation in the shade Lace. And I'm just going to put that everywhere. I think this foundation is my winter shade because it looks a little bit lighter, but that's okay because Medusa is really pale. Again, I'm not painting myself white, but if you guys want to do that, you guys can. It's just something I don't want to do. And I'm going in with another foundation. Well, no, not foundation. I'm going in with another concealer. This is from Laws of Nature in the shade Golden Light. I really love this concealer, but it did not last long. I had it for about, I want to say 2 months, and then I was done with it. But I'm trying another concealer, so I can't wait for you guys to see the new products I have to try. I'm out of that too. Like, geez, the Pacifica Trio, I might buy that again. I'm going to see how this concealer works because, I have very dark circles, and I do recommend if you have dark circles like I do to use more than one concealer because I really don't think one concealer will work. The only concealer that worked and I didn't have to mix it was the Marc Jacobs concealer, but it's pretty expensive in my opinion, and it has toxic ingredients. I only had that because it was sponsored by me, but I won't be purchasing it no time soon. So now we're going in with the Smashbox eyeshadow palette. I'm using it's like a brown neutral palette. So we're about to get ashy. So I use that highlighting color all over my lid just to give it that blank color because again, it's a cartoon. She didn't have any shadow. Then I'm going in with a purple color from the Marc Jacobs palette. I love Marc Jacobs makeup. It is expensive, but I do think it's worth it if you are willing to splurge. And then we're going to take that Lily Lolo highlighter from the Duo and just put it on my lids and in my inner corner just to give it a little sheen of pop. Now we're going to coat my eyelashes with mascara because I will be putting on false lashes. I'm using Buxom. To be honest, I got this from Marshall's. You can find a lot of Sephora brand makeup at Marshall's at really low prices, which I absolutely love because I'm not about to pay a whole check for no makeup, even though I do love makeup, y'all. But now we're going to coat those lashes. Got to make sure we get the lower lashes defined too as well. I love a good defined lower lash line. It just looks really pretty and feminine, and we're just gonna keep doing that. And then we're gonna go back in with concealer because there will always be a time where if you had dark circles, you will always see your under eyes seep through no matter what. I swear I have to put tens of layers of concealer on just to hide the under eye. It's really bad, but I mean, I guess that's what makes you. So yeah, now we're gonna draw on the freckles. I was being lazy, I'm not gonna lie. I used a eyebrow pencil from Minted Cosmetic to make the freckles. It wasn't bad. I decided to use it because I thought it looked realistic. Now we have our lashes on, and I saw that it wasn't thick enough. So we went in with a eyeshadow from the Smashbox. I used the deep brown color. It was like a chocolate brown, and it was very smudgy. So now we're going in with the LA Girls powder, foundation powder. I'm using the color Tan Beige, I believe, or Tan. I'll link it down below, and I'm just putting that everywhere just to make sure I don't mess up the freckles, so I'll put it there very lightly. And now we're going in with my sponsor, Lancome times Zendaya Le Rouge lipstick. Shout out to you, Zendaya. I really do like this lipstick. I will say, though, I recommend if you were to buy it, just to put a chapstick under it because it is drying, but any pigmented lipstick is. That's why I'm not generally a fan.
Okay, I'm going to put my contacts on now.
These contacts are so amazing. I can't wait to show you guys an exciting video I have for you guys because you guys keep asking me about where I get my colored contacts. It's a very needed contact video. You guys have been requesting it, and I'm here to show you guys. But yeah, going back to lipstick. Lipstick is very drying. That's why I don't really care for lipstick. You never will see me wearing it.
Highlight all over, because even though I'm bad, I'm still looking good. Okay, now I'm about to come back with the outfit on. It looks really good. It's like I look like Medusa, so let me get the actual outfit. I'll be back. All right, there we have it. Here's the Halloween look. Here is Medusa. I really love it. Looks so good. So excited. I love this so much. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Got this from Amazon. I will link below everything and where I got it from so you guys can get it. Can't wait for you guys to see more looks by me. So definitely stay tuned. You never know what's coming next. But if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you have a suggestion of what I should cosplay next, link it down below. If you want a requested video, comment it down below and you'll never know. I'll feature you in the requested video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Love you.